Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to our podcast. Today we'll be talking about something very special, the blessed face of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him.
Yes, Mahanur, the Prophet ﷺ, the most beautiful creation of Allah. His face shines like the full moon.
That's so amazing. His smile must have made everyone feel happy and loved.
Wow, the sun is so bright. It is not just about light. The Prophet ﷺ had very kind and gentle face. His wife Hazrat Aisha said whenever he looked at someone, he could smile.
But we can follow his examples and read more about him. Let's promise to read Quran and follow his sunnahs.
Okay, thank you.
लीडर की बातें दिलों को छूती हैं, सोच को जगाती हैं और जिंदगी बदल देती हैं।
अच्छा बोलना ऐसी सलाहियत है जो जिंदगी के हर शोबे में मदद करती है, आपकी शख्सियत निखरती है और खुद एतमादी बढ़ती है।